Gold and silver both traded bullish for the day. We have seen gold moving towards 25.18 levels, while silver is also seeing 28.80. Now, what to expect today with the US session and with the news? Which position you should take? Whether gold and silver are going to rise further, or we can see a reversal. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who it was the first update must have already profited. And first update I always release with the Asian Europe session. The subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First gold followed with silver. Watch till on the hourly charts. If you look into gold, see moving averages have crossed over and a very good support is now created at around 24.94.95. That is a level below which only I will recommend you to sell gold. As long as it stays above 24.94.95, we have to be cautious here with the sell for today at least. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see first of all it has formed a good resistance here. A good drop was seen today. It has breached the channel and trying to look upwards, but I can also see that it is trying to deliver lower highs and lower lows. So a reversal cannot be denied today. Yes, if it reverses, it is going to bring a stronger move here on the downside, and the strongest support, first support, is going to be here at 24.94.95 and then below 24.84.80. Stochastic here is also overbought. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish. The RSI is back to overbought levels. Coming to 2 hour on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see moving averages have started to converge. These have not yet crossed over. If you look at the formation here, see rise, retracement or consolidation and rise. Now it has to break this zone in order to confirm a reversal, and this can only happen with the help of data. Right now, the moment is very much bullish. Yes, it is trading outside Bollinger Band, so it could try to pull the prices again on the downside. Yes, I also look at the bands; these have expanded on the downside as well. This suggests that yes, it could also reverse. If you look at the stock, this is back to overbought levels. MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is staying bullish. RSI is flat, looking upwards. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts. Yes, uh, after a triple top here, we have seen it trading bearish and it is trying to retrace a little. But I will say on the upside now 25.20.22, 25.26 and 25.30.32. Three resistances only and only if gold trades about 25.32. You can that further rise will be seen here. And beyond 25.30.32 is where you can say that the bulls are back in action and we are going to look forward to a rise. See, look at this point here. Very good resistances was observed last week. We have seen it struggling to break beyond 25.30. We have to wait and watch if today is the day for gold, if it breaks beyond this zone. See, moving averages have started to look upwards again, trying to stay bullish. But if you look at the formation again, it is right now the prices are outside Bollinger Bands. It is going to be difficult for it to push further hard and stay outside Bollinger Band. So be watchful till 25.30. 32. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trading with extreme divergence. You can see this candle sizes have also peaked, and for it to deliver uh, further bullish momentum, you have to be watchful here because it is already trading with good divergence. RSI has retraced, looking upwards. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation: higher lows, higher highs. Yes, on the downside, 2500, 2495 are going to be very good support here. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trading with divergence, is looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts. After staying bullish, it is retest. Also look at last three candles. I have updated in my review today morning that yes, uh, prices have closed above 20 period moving average. That is a good sign for the bulls. And you can see after diminishing bearishness, first greener candle was seen, and today it is continued on the with the reversal path. Now, can we consider this as a reversal sign? Can we say this is the first reversal candle? And that is what I will be definitely watchful of, because see, if you see the movement completely, you will find that it is forming a nice flag, and if it breaks out beyond 25.30.32, it is going to bring another strong bullish move for the month of September, which you have to be watchful of, because see, beyond 25.30.32, we are looking forward to 25.40 and 25.50 levels as the next targets. So Yes, if it confirms a reversal, closes in green today, and the next candle I will be watchful of, possibly that could break the record high levels again. Stochastic rising, MACD here, but if you look at the MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. This is a slight bearish sign. RSI is looking upwards. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicator, and looking at the charts here, I will recommend you to buy now at 25. 2022 zone expected to move towards 25, 26, 25, 30, 32, and a move beyond 25, 30, 32 should take it towards 25, 40, 25, 50 levels as the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at around 25.12. Below 25.12, you can expect more drop where you can expect it to move towards 25.0405, 2500, and the most important one, 24.9495. Once it drops below 24.9594, you can say that a strong bearish move can be expected from those levels where we can look forward to 24.90, 24.84, and then 24.70 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we look into silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Also, join the free Telegram channel and do not miss to join the recommended broker, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart for silver. See the drop retracement, the drop retracement, drop, and see this is still under retracement. This is the larger channel in which it is trying to trade. And if you look at the movement in silver, it has formed a good base double bottom here, and with that as double bottom, it is trying to rise. I can see a very good support is seen at 28.20, and thus again it is very important for silver to trade below 28.20 levels rather. And see, on the upside, I have discussed this 28.60, 28.80 zone is going to remain a difficult zone for silver to break past, but it is right now struggling at precisely the same zone, and we have to observe carefully how it behaves at these levels. Look at last 3 to 4 candles. See, the movement on the downside is also very much restricted. It is not shown any down move. So yes, despite it being bullish, it is failing to break beyond 28.80. This is a key observation. Stochastic here is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is staying overbought. Coming to the 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts here. Similarly, forming double bottoms, we have seen it trading bullish. Now, on the downside, 28.40, 28.20 is the zone which is going to provide it maximum support. Any drop below 28.20 should be treated as a bearish reversal, and then we can look forward to another round of good drop. Right now, I can still see that silver is trading in this bearish channel here where lower lows, lower highs are seen, and thus it is almost at the cusp of this channel. If you look at the stochastic, this is back to overbought levels. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, see increasing bullishness. First of all, the momentum or moves till here was almost you can say very much consolidating, and since then it has given a breakout. It has hit the highs here at 28.80 levels, definitely a good resistance level. Moving averages, if you look at the Bollinger Bands, they were also starting to expand, but if you look at the expansion here, we have seen it expanding on both the sides. It has not only hit upwards but also on the downwards. So I will say right now it is trying to reverse, and the coming candle could be the decisive factor. If it trades about 29.20 is where you can say now the bulls are taking over. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence is staying bullish, RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4 hour, look at the 4 hour chart. See, similar observation here. Double bottom trying to rise, stronger resistance. We have to wait for it to give a breakout on the moving averages. Yes, still are trading with bearishness, though have started to converge but not yet crossed over. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over, trading with divergence is staying bullish, RSI rising. Coming to daily chart. Now this is important. On the daily charts, you can see we have seen bearish moves still here. It has shown a reversal sign yesterday. Higher lows are seen, and today it has started to reverse. Again, coming to the resistance zone here, and see beyond 28.80, we are looking forward to 29.2905, 29.25, and then it is going to hit 29.25 levels, 29.50 levels very soon. Uh, but I think it is going to find it difficult, and stronger resistance will be seen definitely on the upside for sure. Stochastic rising from the bottom here. If you look at the MACD, this is just crossed over. This is still on sell. RSI is rising as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 28.85. Expect it to move towards 29, 29.05, 29.25 and 29.50 levels at the next targets, while a selling at is now recommended at around 28.50 levels. But if you are selling at 28.50, now see, previously while it was below 28.60, I have mentioned that every 10 cents you have to put a trailing stop loss while we are on the buys. Now, while we are on the sells till 28.20, you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. So, if you are selling at 28.60, 50 zone, you have to be cautious first at 28.40, then at 28.20, and then 28. If and only if it trades below 28.20 and $28 levels, you can say that a strong bearish move can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Till then, thank you.